Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to short a stock on Robinhood. So this is gonna be a simple video because the simple answer to a question that I've been asking myself also is how to short a stock on Robinhood. I heard that they cannot short stocks, and let's find out. So I found out for myself in my research that you cannot short a stock on Robinhood. So no, you cannot short a stock directly on Robinhood because Robinhood does not offer short selling. They can only allow you to buy and sell. So, a strategy where you borrow shares to sell, hoping to buy them back later at a lower price, is not available. However, some alternative way to potentially profit from a stock price decline is such as buying the put options. So, it's like a futures market, but basically, you're gonna make options for that certain contract. So, basically how to short it is that you will have to put use a put options or the inverse ETF. So it's just like the opposite of buying. So right here you have to open your Robinhood account. Once you have done that, of course, you have to enable the options trading. From settings to go options trading, complete the options trading and application and wait for approval because you cannot just randomly get in and get out. So you have to select the stock. Of course, this is going to be your own research now and buy some put options. On the stocks page, you will have to click on trade, then trade options, then put options, which increases in value as the stock price decreases. So it's like you're placing a buy order, but it's declining and you're actually gaining. So you want to watch your position because you might get not really liquidated, but you might lose this too because it might go inverse and go higher. So you have to track your performance in the options section of your portfolio and then sell the put options before the expiration to realize gains or you're cutting your losses because in this the put options you will have to sign a contract where there's going to be expiration date where it will expire. So, if you prefer not to trade options, you can invest in the inverse ETF. So, it's quite the same. It just moves in the opposite to the market in a specific index. So, you can use the search bar to find the inverse ETF. So, that's how you short stock basically on Robinhood. And there you go, guys. So I cannot personally show you that because it's only available in the US and in the UK and the European Union. So there you go guys, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.